Good afternoon, all. Today, my topic is about nucleotides. Nucleotides are the fundamental building blocks of nucleic acid, example DNA and RNA. Organic molecules consisting of a nucleoside and a phosphate is nucleotide. It is serves as monomeric units of nucleic acid polymers as deoxynucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA. Nucleotides are composed of three subunit molecules. First one nucleobase, 5 carbon sugar ribose or deoxyribose, and a phosphate group consisting of 1 to 3 phosphates. Four nucleobases in DNA are guanine, adenine, cytosine, and thymine. In RNA, uracil is used in the place of thymine. And this is nucleoside. It is consisting of pentose sugar carbon, 5 carbon sugar, and a base, nitrogenous base. And this is nucleotide. It is consisting of 5 pentose carbon sugar and a nitrogenous base, and it consists of phosphate group. Difference between nucleoside and nucleotide. Nucleoside is a compound formed by the union of nitrogen base with a pentose sugar. Whether nucleotide is the compound formed by the union of a nitrogen base, pentose sugar, and a phosphate. Nucleoside is a component of nucleotide. Nucleotide is formed through phosphorylation of nucleoside. Nucleoside is slightly basic in nature, whether nucleotide is acidic in nature. And the example for nucleoside is adenosine, and nucleotide example thymidine acid. Structure. This nucleotide containing 5 carbon sugar deoxyribose at center. This is the 5 carbon sugar and a nitrogenous base, adenine, and a phosphate group. The deoxyribose sugar joined nitrogenous bases to form a deoxyribonucleic acid called deoxyadenosine. The whole structure along with the phosphate group is nucleotide, a constitution of DNA with the name deoxyadenosine monophosphate. Nitrogenous base. The heterocyclic compounds containing carbon and nitrogen, they are classified into two based on their structure: pyrimidine with one ring and purine with two heterocyclic rings. This is purine. Adenine and cytosine are examples of purine, and pyrimidine, thymine, cytosine, and uracil are examples for pyrimidine. Adenine forms a base pair with thymine with 2 hydrogen bonds together. Guanine pairs with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. In classifications of nucleotide and its example: adenosine nucleotide, example adenosine triphosphate, adenosine diphosphate, monophosphate, cyclic adenosine monophosphate. Guanosine nucleotide, guanosine triphosphate, diphosphate, monophosphate, and cyclic guanosine monophosphate. Third one, cytidine nucleotide. Examples are cytidine triphosphate, cytidine diphosphate, monophosphate, and cyclic cytidine monophosphate. Fourth one, uridine nucleotide. Examples UTP, uridine triphosphate, uridine diphosphate, uridine monophosphate, and uridine diphosphate glucose. Functions of nucleotides: plays a central role in metabolism at a fundamental cellular level, provides chemical energy in the form of nucleotide triphosphate, adenosine triphosphate ATP, guanosine triphosphate GTP, cytidine triphosphate, and uridine triphosphate throughout the cell for many cellular functions that demand energy including amino acid, protein, and cell membranes. Nucleotides help for the movement of cell and cell parts and help in cell division. It is partially in cell signaling and incorporate into important cofactors of enzymatic reactions. Example, coenzyme. In nucleotide analog. Nucleotides which contain a nucleic acid analog, a sugar, and a phosphate group with 1,2,3 phosphate. Nucleus and nucleotide analog won't be used in therapeutic drugs, including a range of antiviral products used to prevent viral reflections in infected cells. Thank you. Any doubts?
Yes, if you have any
Thank you, sir.
questions, you can ask Sony Thomas about nucleotides.